Here's how to live stream to Wix website. Today, I'm going to teach you how to live stream to your Wix website. This is a fantastic feature if you're looking to engage your audience in real time, whether it's for webinars, product launches, or interactive events. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, take a look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This will take you to the main website management area where you can control various aspects of your site. From here, you can preview the website settings you have, make sure that this is the website you wish to add the live stream to. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under the same account. This ensures you're making changes to the correct site. On this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll find on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on this button to enter the website editor. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, look for the plus Add Elements button located on the left navigation panel of your screen and click on it. You'll see a list of different elements you can add to your site. From this list, look for the option named Videos and Music and click on it. This section contains all the video-related features Wix offers. Under the Videos and Music section, locate Wix Video. You'll be presented with layout samples for your video player on your website. These are pre-designed templates that make it easy to integrate video content. Simply click and drag one of these layouts to your website where you'd like the video player to appear. Once the video element is added, click on it. You'll see a settings button appear on top of it. Click on that settings button and a small window will appear. From this small window, click on Manage Video and you'll be directed to the Video Library dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all video content on your site. Locate the live stream settings on the left navigation panel and click on it. Now, to add a live stream, you have two options. Either you go live now or schedule an event. For this tutorial, we'll schedule an event for your live stream session, which gives you more control and allows your audience to prepare. Click on the plus Schedule Event button to begin. Start by setting up a date and time for your live stream. Pick a time that works best for your target audience. Then add the details, starting with the title and publisher. These fields help viewers identify your stream and know who's hosting it. Add details such as categories, tags, and description to make your stream easily searchable and informative. Next, set the video pricing by clicking on the paid option and set prices and download options. If it's a free live stream, toggle on the viewer option. You can choose between anyone can watch or sign up only, depending on how you want to manage access. Then set the download option based on whether you want viewers to be able to save the stream for later. You can add a trailer by toggling the button under the Show a Trailer section. This is a great way to generate interest before the actual event. Once you're done configuring all these settings, click on Save. If you have a premium plan activated, you can also let viewers embed this video on their own sites, which can help spread your content even further. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a live stream on your Wix website. Your scheduled event is ready to go, and your audience will be able to tune in at the specified time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like,